Plumbing and Drain Service is a locally owned and operated plumbing service. We are fully bonded, licensed, and insured. We serve the Mobile and Baldwin counties of Alabama, from basic preventative maintenance to the most complex plumbing disasters. Evans Plumbing and Drain Service is here for you. We also provide a wide variety of residential and commercial services, including kitchen and bathroom repair, remodeling and new construction, installation of grinder pumps, drain cleaning, high-pressure water jetting, whole building repiping, and more. Tired of flushing your hard-earned cash down the toilet? Let our technicians install a high-efficiency toilet, tankless water heater, or other energy-efficient fixtures in your home and help you save some green. Call 251-645-3810 or visit evanspds.com to schedule your free estimate. That's 251-645-3810. Don't forget, we have a 24-hour emergency service answered by live phone operators.